This video will cover the basic operators and formulas that you will commonly use in this course. Here in the table on the left, you can see the basic math operators that you will use, which includes plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash for division, asterisk for multiplication, and caret for exponentiation. Next, we will talk about the basic math formulas that you will commonly use in this course. And to start writing a formula, you will need to type in an equal sign, and then we put in the name of the function, and here you can see a description of what the function does on the side. Then we type in open brackets, and at the bottom we can see a guide on how to write the formula. So in this case, we would need to put in a number inside the brackets, and so we can type in a number and it will return the square root of that number. Or we can also put a cell reference that refers to a number, and again, the formula will return the square root of that number. The pi formula is a special case because it returns the value of pi when we use it. And as you can see at the bottom, we don't need to put anything inside the brackets. So we can just type in close brackets, and when we press enter, it will return the value of pi. We can use the sum formula to calculate the total value of the data. And as you can see here, you can put in multiple numbers inside the brackets. Technically, if, for example, I put in 1, 2, and 3, the formula will work and it will return the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3. However, writing the formula this way is not recommended in this course because the purpose of using a formula is to speed up the calculation process and increase the efficiency of our work. So for sum, instead of writing the number one by one, you would need to select a range that corresponds to a series of number, and the formula will return the total value of that range. We can use the average formula to calculate the average value of the data, and just like in sum, we shouldn't write the numbers one by one, and we should instead select a range to put inside the bracket. The last formula that we will cover in this video is count, and this formula counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. And again, we would need to put in a range inside the brackets, and in this case, the formula will return 5 because there are 5 cells in this range that contains numbers.